Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Free classes for you all. Hi viewers, if anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I have done the video on which books are best to crack the GATE exam. If anybody will not see that video, definitely go and see that video and comment me in the comment box how was that video. And finally, I am doing the review on this handbook, which is I bought from Made Easy through online. And don't forget, it is not at all a sponsored video. It is genuine, 100% genuine video. I will show how this book was, and I like this book so much, really. I will show what are the contents on this book and a review on this book finally. And see this is the first page of that book, Handbook for Civil Engineers. Not only for civil engineers, for all the branches they have been provided all handbooks. You can see it is useful for all the competitive exams like ESE, GATE exams, PSU exams and other competitive exams. It will be useful and contains illustrated formula and key theory concepts. You can see this Made Easy publications. Maximum it's 100% genuine, so don't skip to see this video. You can see here they provided reprint on 2018. I think you are clearly visible or not visible. You can see here they reprint on 2018. It is revised on 2018 book. And here are the contents of civil engineering. I will show first of all from first unit to till 15 units. You can see first subject is strength of materials, structure analysis, RCC and pre-stressed concretes, DDSS I means design of steel structures, and building materials, soil mechanics. You can see the subjects all are here. And for this transportation engineering, they have been divided into three parts. First is highway and second one is railway, and for the airport there will be three. They have been divided into three parts. If they have been combined into one part, means it will compulsory the unit will come into 13 parts. That's why they have been done the same subject into three parts. That's why the 15 units came here. You can see first of all the strength of materials. You can see here I think you are visible all the 10 topics of the strength of materials, properties of metals, stress and strains, and till springs. Really it's good review. And you can see here they have been definitions and they have highlighted the main points, and they have given the bold letters also for clearly visible. You can see here all that. You can see here they have been provided diagrams for better understanding. But a small problem on this is, if you will assume like let P is equal something and we will derive the formula for P or for Q, but here they have been used different terms. Sometimes we will not understand that because we have been assumed one term and we have derived formula for one thing, but here the derivations and for here the formulas in separate terms. That's why it's not, I didn't like that point. And because the understanding way is different, if you prepared by your own self, it will be satisfactory for you, because these books are prepared by others. If you prepared yourself for your exams, it will be benefit for you, because my main suggestion is prepare yourself and prepare short notes by your own, not to buy all this, because it is prepared by others, not by yours, because the preparation strategies and the preparation way is different. You can't understand the same things. So that's why you can see here all the diagrams they have been given, and I will show all they have been given. It is clearly somebody will like this book, but I am saying my genuine and my point of view. I am saying here the beams and slabs, and you can see all that I am showing all. If you like this, I will give description. I will give the link in the description box. You can buy this book, because now during this lockdown nobody Amazons or they have been not providing anything, so that's why it's not available for you now. You can see here it is FM, related to FM, hydrostatic force systems related to FM. You can see here how they are giving the formulas, how they have been providing. You can see all here. If you like, you can do it. If anybody want any subject related to this material, I will scan that and I will provide for you, because if you like, I will give demo material for you. It's good, I think so. Now I got an idea. I will provide a demo material for you for every subject for two pages. I will keep for you. If you like, then tell to me. I will definitely provide link in the description box, because without demo you can't buy, no. So that's why you can, if you like that only, genuinely, if you like, then only buy, because money is not at all a free for no one, no. That's why if you are if you want to pay money, you need to think many more times. That's why it's related to the transportation engineering highway. You can see all these here all have been kept like that only. Water logging, these are all comes to water resource engineering. And you can see this is the review of this book have been given. If you like my video, it's 100% genuine. I have given my best, and if anybody likes my video, please don't forget to subscribe. And if anybody want related to civil engineering, any book you want, I will definitely provide for you and definitely give for you. If anybody want this this book, this is my own notes I have been prepared for myself, and this is the book of my short notes I have been prepared by my own. It's 100% genuine also. If anybody likes this, because somebody don't have time to prepare and somebody will not capable to have to prepare, but no, don't worry, and somebody don't have money to buy this, no problem, I will provide this. But before that, you need to subscribe my channel, and after that you need to comment me in the comment box. I'll definitely provide for you. Don't forget to subscribe. And you can see have been done video on this book particularly. You can definitely see that video and then comment me in the comment box. Without seeing, don't comment, because if you like this book, definitely I will provide you. Don't be fake. Don't, I am also not fake, and it is 100% genuine. I am providing for the persons who are not able to afford money for the coachings, or not able to afford money for the books. That's why I am providing for them only. So if anybody like this video, or if anybody want this, definitely I will provide for them. I can show it to all you for you. I can show it for you. It's really 100% genuine. If anybody, I have been done all this, I will show the transportation engineering of you. It's my really it's I like this so much. Transportation, my favorite subjects. I have been provided this all will cover, because when I am writing the gate exam, this book was very helpful for me. That's why I am saying it's a good book for you all. If anybody want, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.